Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Jim Boyer at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Pomeroy, Ohio. And boy, do I have a beautiful black Ford F-150 pickup truck. I actually wanted to show you. I hope the sun's catching this thing, but man, is this truck beautiful. Like I said, it's a 2015. It's a XLT model. It does have the Sport package trim, four-wheel drive unit, and all four doors. I'm going to open these things up here in just a moment and show you. It's absolutely gorgeous. It does have running boards on the truck, tint windows, sliding glass on the back glass. Here you can see the Sport package. The engine in this thing is a 2.7 liter Ecoboost turbocharged. You have two turbochargers on this, which basically means that it's a smaller engine displacement, but with the turbos you're getting increased horsepower and torque similar to a large engine, but with it being a smaller engine, it's better gas mileage. It does have a backup camera right there, and show you the bed. It does come with a liner in it. So let's close this up, walk on around. Beautiful truck, absolutely beautiful. And a couple nice features I do want to point out. You notice it does have keyless entry on your numeric pads, and your outside mirrors are heated. I hope there you go, you start to see the emblem. So both mirrors are heated, and you do have the side turn signals that are on the mirrors in addition to your normal turn signals in front. But let's go ahead and open this up. This is absolutely beautiful truck. To get the back doors open right there, but I'm going to step back and just show you. I mean, there's all kinds of leg room in the back, but it's black interior cloth. I'll show you the door panels here. Now this does have also retractable buttons, or the buttons here will make your side mirrors fold in and retract. So if you're going through an ATM or a drive-through at a restaurant, hit that, your mirrors on both sides will fold in. Of course, your door locks and your mirrors. You do have power adjustable seats on both seats, but look at the ample leg room that is in your back. And go back here, show you, you do have auxiliary power back here. And you also have one right here, 12 volt. So let me go ahead and shut this back, and we'll go ahead and hop up in. Close the door on this thing. Beautiful truck. I'm going to go ahead and start it up here, but I just want to show you what the interior looks like. This black is just beautiful inside. But let's go ahead and we'll get this thing started up. Your Ford logo shows up. But let me go ahead and back away and show you the steering wheel instrument cluster. Try to hide that sun coming in. But as of this video, the miles on this, 62,332 miles. And you do have controls right here for your lighting. And if we look on the steering wheel, on the left side, your cruise control. This section will control different items that will show up on your instrument cluster. On the right side of your wheel is your Bluetooth connections for your smartphone to control your volume and other items. And we pan over here, you have your four-wheel drive, two-wheel drive control. Just turn a knob. It's that easy, that simple. And your LCD command center, you can go in and click different items. So let's turn that volume down. We'll go back to the home screen. I'm going to drop this down in reverse, and you'll see the backup camera engage. Fantastic safety item. We pan down here, you'll have controls for your media center, your volume, and then we get down here. This truck does have heated seats, and today it was a little bit cold outside in the 30s, so I tell you what, it's really nice turning those warmers on and getting a little bit warm while you're sitting in a cold seat. But pan over here, show you your gear shift and 2 cup holders, storage area right here, and I'll pan around, show you the back from here. And your slider, or that glass middle section, does slide open. So this is an absolutely beautiful truck, guys. I suggest you come up, if you're on the market for a truck, or if you know someone is, please share this video. But we've got financing options available. Banks are actually very eager to loan money. We've got a lot of happy customers going out the door getting financing with less than perfect credit, doing it with no down payment. So we've got something for everybody up here. But 2015 Ford F-150 XLT Sport package, Ecoboost turbocharged engine. It's going to make someone a beautiful and very nice truck. So if you have any questions, call us at area code 740-992-4443. Have a blessed day.